Good morning, everyone. We're going to go over dividing radicals again because as I watched some of you work yesterday, not everybody was either rationalizing correctly or reducing correctly. So with today's homework, you are doing multiples of 3. However, I have 3 problems to show you. With number 3, normally what I would say is to multiply by root 16. However, to rationalize the denominator. However, root 16 is actually a perfect square. So to help you out, you can do 4 times 4. And when you reduce this, you get 2 root 12 over 4. Now, root 12 still needs to be simplified to 4 and 3, which is 2 and 2, and your 3 is left over. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 3 is left over 4. These two 4's can reduce, and my final answer is root 3. With number 13, I know it's not a multiple of 3, but it's one that I want to showcase. We're going to rationalize the denominator, root 2 over root 2. We're not multiplying by root 6 and root 2, just root 2 because it's the denominator. On the top, I have root 12. On the bottom, 2 times 2, root 2 times root 2 is just 2. You have to keep going. This is 4 and 3. And 2 and 2. So on the top you have 2 root 3. On the bottom you have 2. The 2's reduce, so you have just root 3 again. For number 18, you are going to have to multiply by root 20 on both the top and the bottom. This again is called rationalizing the denominator. Root 5 times root 20 is root 100. Root 20 times root 20 is just 20. This is 10 times 10, so that comes out. So you have 10 over 20, which is 1/2. Please do not try to start reducing in the problem. When we get to next week, we're going to have a lot more to do when we start involving variables, and you cannot just start reducing in the problem. Please remember to rationalize the denominator.